Oh! Kabayan! Baby, bye! Guys, ang friend from Wellington na asa diri. So, come on. Uyugi mi ha. Ang siya i-tour diri. Timing lang ka kita, di ba diri? Char. Ayan guys, pasok na tayo. Samahan nyo kami. Andito kami sa National Aquarium of New Zealand guys. Ito yung pinakamalaking aquarium dito po sa New Zealand. Located po ito sa aming lugar sa Napier, New Zealand. Ayan, syempre hindi pwedeng hindi magpa-cute para malay nyo, malibre or maka-discount sa aming pagpasok guys.
Because you look maybe just a little bit too.
A little bit.
Just a little. Just a little.
Wow. So this is the only national aquarium here in New Zealand, is it?
Oh, these are the aquariums, but this is the national one.
The national
The
one.
national.
How long do you think it will take for us to make one whole loop?
12:21.
Yeah.
I'd say probably about an hour,
An hour.
45 minutes. Depends
should
if you want to
be.
sit around and read everything. But you guys should be able to make it in time for the 1:30 penguin feeding and all that.
Perfect.
And then 2 p.m. Pretty sure there's a guy that hand feeding.
Oh, good.
Awesome.
Hello guys, welcome to Aquarium Napier. Ganito mangyari pag makain tayo ng shark. Some turtle can breathe through their bottom. Oh, daghanas turtle nun, dami. Alam niyo ba mga kahuan, ang sea turtle ay isang uri ng reptiles. Kaya pala, time to time, pupunta sila sa taas para huminga. At kaya nilang hawakan ng kanilang hininga at least 2 hours or more than, depende sa activity levels nila. And according to the National Aquarium New Zealand, meron silang 100 species, both land and aquatic animals. Siyempre, kasama na dito ang national icon ng New Zealand, ang kiwi bird. Ito naman guys, isa sa mga paborito ko kasi nagpapakain sila ng penguin. Masasaksihan natin ang pinakamaliit na penguin sa buong mundo. Dito lang yan sa New Zealand makikita guys. Ito yung tinatawag na the little penguin. Guys, before ko ipakita sa inyo ang pinakamaganda at pinakagusto kong part sa aming pagpunta dito guys, magpasalamat muna ako sa inyong lahat mga kahuwan. 22K na po tayo. Yahoo and counting pa. Eto na mga kahuwan, pakita na namin ang pinakagusto namin sa aming pagpunta sa aquarium. Ito po ang Oceanarium Diver Hand Feeding. Yan po ang mga scuba divers guys. Nagpapakain sila ng iba't ibang klaseng isda guys. Kasama na ang trevally, kingfish.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky just to.
Okay.
Welcome to Napier.